If you have below $50 and you want to make your first 100 US dollars trading the forex market, here is the full complete step-by-step guide how I turned 27 US dollars to 100 US dollars in 30 minutes trading gold, which is same as XAU USD. And this will be the fast and easy way as a beginner who wants to grow a small trading account to a bigger account using this simple step. Before I show you the guide, before I show you what it is, how I did it, if you're just watching this video, if you're just seeing this video for the first time, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell notification so you're going to be notified whenever I upload amazing videos like this on the channel. So without further ado, I'm going to go to my Telegram channel where I journal all my trades, because I as well go ahead to journal all my trade which I take as a form of sending it to a Telegram channel for my audience to also see what I do, take the same trade. If I lose, they lose. If I win, they win. And that is a way for me to also take accountability for my trade, right? All right, so right here is the BJW trades journal, so you can see. So I'm going to go back to Friday, because as at the time I'm recording this video, today is Sunday, right? And I'm going to go to Friday right here, and I'm going to show you the trade. So this was a trade which I took right here, and as you can see, I called this trade right here. I said a buy, and I called this trade as at 10:48 a.m. right, and then immediately I called the trade by 1:48, the trade trigger, and as at 1:59 we are already at 220 pips, and before 2:56 we are already hitting TP on this trade. How cool is that? So what I did and how I caught this trade is very simple. So I'm going to go to my trading view using my mobile phone to show you this, because I actually use my mobile phone to see this setup, saw this entry, execute it, and then it played out really well, right? And if you follow what I'm going to show you in this video, and at the end of this video I'm going to be giving you a bonus on how you can make $1,000 before the end of July 2026. So without further ado, all I want to do is to come to my trading view. All right, so right here on my trading view, and if you don't know how to use trading view, you've not got your trading view set up, you don't have idea what trading view is, this platform helps you analyze your charts, helps you analyze trade, whatever instrument you want to trade, be it XAU USD, BTC, GBP USD, both forex, crypto, synthetic, and whatnot. This is a tool you can use. There are other tools, but TradingView is best and beginner friendly, and I've made a detailed playlist on how you can use it, so you can go ahead and watch the video. The playlist which is going to be at the end screen of this particular video to learn how to set it up, how to use it step by step. Now if you watch right here, this was what I did. So I'm going to go to 15 minutes. So I actually use the 15 minutes chart to as well got this trade. Now I'm going to come to the 15 minutes. I used the 15 minutes right there to get the trade, and then now this was what 15 minutes was telling me. Now you can see right there, I saw that the 15 minutes was as well bullish, right, in a 15 minutes time frame. Then I went ahead to the 1 hour time frame now to see that price is as well taking a bull side after a long sell-off for the week, right? So I saw this bull. So what I did was now look for my story. Now what was my story? My story is very simple. Now as a trader who is trying to like make good money or trying to like scale up, you need to have a strategy. One, you need to understand directional bias. Two, and you need to understand where the discount zone is and where the premium zone is. Very important. So if you can be able to identify where the discount zone is and where the premium zone is, and then look for your story around the discount zone, trust me, you'll be able to print money from the market. Now currently, if you go to 4 hours, basically, if I go to 4 hours, now you want to see that the market has been bearish lately from what the 4 hours directional bias is saying, right? And now if we reverse back to where this chart you coming from, you're going to see that the points which I marked out are these points which I marked out. You can see these places I marked out. You can see 3883, you can see 4006 I marked out with different colors in a longer range, are key levels which I'm expected a reaction to occur on price. Now, immediately I saw that price has also taken out this zone, and then I saw a little reaction at this zone. Then I had to like now wait to see my story. And now, what is my story? My story can tend to be my strategy, right? Now, if I as well tend to mark this from this zone with my Fibonacci tool, right? Mark this from this zone with my Fibonacci tool to this 438. Now you will see that price is basically below the discount zone, right? If I even take it down a bit to where I mark the last key level, this is the last key level I marked, right? You're going to also see that price is at the discount zone. So what I'm expecting is to look for my story for what? For a buy, because whenever price is at a discount zone, you tend to look for a story of a buy side. Now, what would I do? I have to then look for a 1 hour time frame to see if the bearish zone is very valid. And then once I see that price is now consolidating at this zone, I make sure I wait. Now immediately I waited price to as well take out this particular high you're seeing right here. I started looking for what? A buy, right? Because I know that price as well taking out a liquidity, and then after the liquidity being taken out, it retraced and then took out this other high. So for every retracement at this point, I just look for a buy to take out the next key level zone, and the next key level zone was at 1490, which is this red key levels I marked out right here, which you can see, which is this red key level I mark out right here, right? And what happened is played out. Now you cannot just jump into the market. Now for you to get this a confirmation, you will need to go to like 15 minutes, 5 minutes, 3 minutes to look for a perfect entry using your story. And I'm going to tell you what my story always look like whenever I'm trying to get an entry for any trade. Now how do I do that? I'll go to 15 minutes. Good. Now looking right here at 15 minutes, you can see my story is here, but I missed this particular one. I miss this particular one. You can see my story here, and I miss this particular. And what is my story? Now I look at for two different stories. Now my story is always I wait for what? A sweep of the previous low. And what does that mean? Now if I'm to do something like this, I wait for price to do stuff like this. Sweep of this previous low, a break of this structure, then when price come to this zone, I buy from this other zone, then take out this high. Or if I don't wait for this, I wait for this second one. Now these are two type of stories I will look at for. Now I wait for price to do, make sure first you sweep, then price do as if it want to take out this high but not taking out this high, then as if it's coming down to back to this structural liquidity, then I buy from this zone, then to the upside. And if you watch, basically this stuff I drew right here is the same thing as what is here, right? You can see. Let me explain. Now if you come right here, like I said, I look for a sweep, right? Now where is the sweep? You can see the sweep right here. And then where is the low? Sweep of the previous low. This is the sweep of a previous low, and this is the lower low. So I'm expecting to protect this low, right? So what happened? Immediately price did as if it want to like take out this high and then start retracing back into this my POI. That's give me what we call a QMR, because one, already gotten a sweep first. A sweep confirm that price is about to take to a buy side, right? So once you see that it is retracing after doing as if you want to take out this high but didn't take it out, then it retracing back into this zone, then I'll buy from here and then take my TP. And this is what happened right here, as you can see, right? You saw this, a sweep, and price did as if you want to take out this high but it didn't, then you can buy from this zone then to the upside. Right now, this is the first story. Now let's say I miss this one, because I actually missed this one. So the next thing I want to do is for me to wait. Now for me to wait, I'll now have to like go back to like 5 minutes time frame to see if I can see this same story I saw right here. And good enough, I saw this story, right? How cool is that? Now what did I see? I saw this, a sweep of this previous low, right? Price it as if you want to come down, came back into this low, and what happened? It broke the structure. Now, because this is still giving me a bull side, so what I did was to wait for what price now to come back into this other block, into this zone, a retracement into this zone, then I continue the trend. And this was how I caught a 1:4 ratio risk to reward using this strategy. And this was caught at the London session when market was very volatile. And immediately market tap into it, you saw the bull straight up to my TP. And now the fact that is on Friday, so I'm waiting for also price to retrace back into this particular zone and then continue the trend. Right now, what am I also seeing right here? I'm also seeing a sweep of this low, a break of structure, and then I'm waiting for price to come back into this zone and also continue the trend. How cool is that? Now, this is how you can spot out real-time data, real-time story from their chart. And that is why I said for you to also grow this. So once you're now being certain that this will play out, the next you want to do is to maximize risk management and enter with good position you feel you can handle or you feel you are affordable to lose. And that is how it tends to play out. And I grew a $27 account to $100 account in 30 minutes when the market was volatile. Now you've understand that. I know your question going to be, Bernard, this is very complicating. Yes, this is very difficult for me to understand. Don't worry, I've made a detailed playlist, and all you have to do is to come to the channel BJW Trades and then go to playlist, and then you see this video that say BJW Trades Bootcamp. Is a 20 videos and all details. So this video teaches you from day 1 to day 20 how to use TradingView for beginners, how to use TradingView for beginners both on laptop and on your mobile phone, the automatic candlestick, and to the point of you teaching you strategy which I use. And everything right here in this video is very detailed. And all you want to do if you want to take your trading journey to the next step for you to understand the concept before implementing it into real money, into real capital, is to go ahead and watch these 20 videos, practice it, understand the concept which I taught in this video, and trust me, you won't be losing out on your trade, and you'll be able to scale up really fast and grow your small account really cool. Now I'm talking about how you're gonna make your first $1,000 real quick. If you still watch to this point, then you're a goat, and this is an exact blueprint on how you can make your first $1,000 trading XAUSD in the month of July, which we are currently in right now, or which we are currently about to enter. Now there is something called the joint account trading. So I've been doing this, and I've done this lately June, and it was successful. And then all you want to do for you to get access to it is to come to the trading channel BJW Trade Journals, and you will see a pin post right there. Click on the pin post and then follow the instruction for you to be able to partake on this particular joint trading event. And that way it will help you to boost your capital, for you to have good capital very fast to enter the market and make money. So all you have to do is to use the first link in the description section, join the BJW Trade Journal to take every trade I take, and also see the instruction for you to join the joint trading account capital. And with that being said, if you enjoyed this video and you have any question regarding this particular video of what I explained in general, go down below, ask your question, and I'll be right there to reply every single question you ask in that comment section. And also, if you watched at this point, don't forget to share this video, subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell notification, and also like this video and comment down below WXAUSD. And until I see you in my next video, keep winning, stay safe, and peace out.